This is probably one of the best side hustles to make money for beginners.
This is my PayPal account and I have been making money with this business model.
And the cool thing about this method is that you don't need to create your own product, buy inventory, or ship anything. What I'm doing is that I'm promoting other people's products, and when someone buys through my link, I can make a commission. And there is a system that you need to build in order to succeed with this business model. You can promote physical or digital products. For me, I like to promote digital products because I can make between 50 and 75% commission. And I like to promote high ticket products because I can make $500 or more in commission. Now, let me show you the system that I have to make commissions online.
I drive traffic from YouTube, Google, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to an opt-in page.
The only thing the opt-in page does is to collect an email.
Once I have that information, I redirect those people to my affiliate offer, which is my affiliate link. And I have an email sequence as well to promote the same affiliate offer.
Inside of the emails, people are going to find valuable information and my affiliate links. And this system works automatically. And I just need to send traffic to this system. The more emails I collect, the more money I make. The best niches in which you can find products to promote are the make money online, health and fitness, and the relationship niche.
And to find products to promote, you can go to Google and write high ticket products for make money online or health and fitness.
A good tip is to build this system around a high ticket product. And then you can have multiple affiliate offers in the back end to support that main core offer. Essentially, you are building your own system with multiple income streams. Now, let me show you the actual system that I use to make commissions.
I send traffic to this opt-in page, which has this title, the 7 proven steps to building a 6-figure online business from scratch. It has a button, information, the picture of the ebook, and my photo as well. And when people click this button, I collect this information, the name and the email.
Then people will access the next page, which is the bridge page.
And I have here a video in which I'm explaining the product and this button. And when people click this button, they will go to my affiliate offer.
And if they buy, I can make a commission. But more importantly, I have the email. Because people don't buy at the first interaction. That is why I have an email sequence to promote the same affiliate offer.
This is my number of emails inside of the software GetResponse.
And I use that software for the email sequence.
And for the opt-in pages, I use ClickFunnels.
Now, let me show you the product that I promote.
I promote the 72-hour challenge.
This is a digital training that teaches people how to start an affiliate business in 72 hours.
And here you can learn the Freedom to Roadmap, how to build an automated sales system, and 3 secret traffic methods.
This challenge has all the information you need to start with this side hustle. If you want to get access, you can click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and God bless.